Hello everyone. Today I'd like to recommend a Unity asset called Elecctric Shock Tool. This tool allows you to easily create electric shock effects on your 3D game objects. It is especially useful for situations where a character gets electrocuted, touches electricity, or interacts with electric traps or devices. One of the biggest advantages of this tool is how easy it is to use. You can add the effect quickly without complicated setup, which makes it ideal for rapid development. The tool also offers a wide range of adjustable parameters. You can freely customize the color of the electricity, adjust the vibration frequency, control the flashing speed, and fine-tune the overall visual intensity to fit your game style. Elecctric Shock Tool supports all major Unity rendering pipelines, including the built-in render pipeline, URP, and HDRP. It also supports multiple platforms, such as Windows, Android, and iOS. If you're interested in this asset, I've already placed the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment, so you can easily check it out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tool helps you bring more dynamic electric effects into your Unity projects.